Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix earphone connection or headphone jack problem in your device Samsung A23 5G and A33 5G. So if you're facing earphone connection or headphone jack problem in your device Samsung A23 5G and A33 5G, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you're the first one to know whenever I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix earphone or headphone jack problem.